Blue Bottle Coffee debuts in Singapore's Raffles City, the ultimate coffee and lifestyle experience. April showers might have been pouring outside, but inside Raffles City, a lively buzz filled the air as crowds flocked to the newly opened Blue Bottle Coffee. Long lines winding around the corner showed just how much Singaporeans are craving this cult favorite brew, more than most places even in this city-state. The person behind this exciting debut, Mr. Teruaki Omote, isn't surprised at all. As president and CEO of Lumine, he's known exactly what he's bringing to the table. He shares confidently, "We're thankful for the warm welcome here. Our Singapore store isn't just another cafe, it's a cornerstone in our global plan and a gateway to connect with Asia and beyond." This is a bold statement from a Japanese trendsetter that already boasts 16 locations in Tokyo, including busy spots at Shinjuku Station. Lumine has built a reputation for curating Japanese fashion and lifestyle brands, but this new flagship isn't just about retail. It's a destination where people can shop, relax, and catch up with friends over beautifully brewed coffee and artful pastries. For Omote, there was only one brand that matched this vibe, Blue Bottle Coffee, and, funny enough, their partnership nearly didn't happen. Lumine's relationship with Blue Bottle isn't new. With cafes in several Japanese malls, the US company's presence in Asia is growing, especially after success in Japan, Korea, Hong Kong, and China. Blue Bottle's charm partly springs from Japanese coffee culture, using Japanese-made cups, bottles, and hospitality standards, blending East and West aesthetic and sensibility. It's this cultural cross-pollination that makes Blue Bottle feel at home everywhere it opens. The company's international appeal is clear. Many customers in Japan, Korea, and China aren't local, they come from Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, and other parts of Southeast Asia. That international draw, plus the region's rapid growth and changing cultural landscape, makes Singapore the perfect springboard for wider Southeast Asian expansion. For Blue Bottle and Lumine, Singapore offers all the ingredients needed: rich culture, seamless connectivity, and a vibrant business environment. Whitaker, Blue Bottle's Asia head, emphasizes, "If Lumine is here for a reason, and the timing works out, we're all in." Singapore is the ideal place for us to jumpstart regional conversations and growth. As Lumine and Blue Bottle consider their next steps, CapitaLand, the property giant managing Raffles City, isn't resting on its laurels. CEO Irving Yeo hints that this flagship isn't the last. They want every new store to be part of a bigger story. Raffles City's location, rubbing shoulders with heritage sites and bustling city life, is key. It's a space that symbolizes potential and confidence for both brands. Lumine's big move shows that Singapore isn't just another market, it's a long-term springboard for global ambitions. Omote envisions Singapore as a hub to grow Lumine's international presence, collaborating with partners who share their vision, not just high-end brands but those aligned with their cultural values. So, if you want to experience the perfect blend of style, coffee, and community, step into Lumine Singapore's Blue Bottle Cafe at Raffles City, where the journey begins and the flavor lingers.